You're about to witness one of the coolest builds that we have ever done. A 2025 custom built ATC three-wheeler, guys. Many of you guys have been supporting us for a long time. We wanted to give y'all the chance to win something that we built right here in the shop, y'all. We have 3 of our newest designs on the website: the Scootin Racing, Beetlejuice shirt, the Moon Tune shirt. We got Jockey J rocking it, y'all. This is probably one of my favorite shirts, y'all. It's awesome. You're already gonna get some fire merch. Some of y'all have already been supporting us for a while, but this time, y'all get a chance to get your hands on one of our builds. So let's show y'all what we got going. Now, this is literally crate motor, straight out the box, 140 cc's, custom stainless exhaust. We're gonna have our custom halo on the front headlight, and all the underglow lights will be hooked up, so that'll be awesome. And y'all check this out. Every hub on this is actually billet. We went with the Pro Taper handlebars, so depending on who wins this, we wanted the bike to sit up a little bit so you're not hunched over. This yellow is gonna look so crazy when it's actually mounted onto the handlebars. Y'all cannot wait to see that. We definitely couldn't spare an expense on the wheels. We wanted to get a great design to match this bike. So this design from Direct Drive is called the Havoc. All right, last but not least, the ATC 70 frame. It's all aluminum, custom made. It's stretched +3 out the front, give it a longer stance, a better ride. The colors came out absolutely awesome on everything. Let's show y'all how we did it, and we're gonna get to the assembly. Let's go. All right, first up, the frame. You actually spray the base coat purple. It goes in the oven as a first stage, and as it comes out the second time, we put a clear coat on it, and the clear coat activates the purple. We're gonna try to get all up in here and coat as much of that inside as we can. We'll try to go even on this big side panel right here and work our way down. In there, but we jam-packing there. Got that first look at that purple. Ooh! Oh yeah, yo. That's fire. Alright, we're gonna close it. Open it up in about an hour. Alright, here we go. Oven's off. It's been in there for about an hour and a half. Fully baked out. First look at it. Here we go.
Look at the flake.
That yellow is popping. One of y'all is gonna be able to win this. This is gonna be crazy. Crazy thing is, every time we build something, we never want to get rid of it.
Yeah.
Because it's just, we just love it. You look at it from right here, it's like, something about that purple and yellow.
I think it came out fire.
Yeah, I think it came out
I don't think it's dark at all. I think it's perfect.
There's not much yellow on the front. We thought about doing these things yellow, but I just didn't want to. We didn't want to kill.
It might have been too much. Yeah, the yellow would be fine.
It's going to blend in. It's going to look like it's part of the frame, with it being purple like that. Oh my!
Oh Lord have mercy!
My! Who don't like some black with a little bit of sparkle, bro? The clear coat on it might be the freaking wave. That's how good it looks. build is coming out absolutely awesome. And we had the last few pieces that we have to unbox. But first, I want to show y'all some of the things that are going to be hidden by the plastics. These are actually 3 LED strips that are going to run down the frame, and they're going to mount on the 2 back plastics back here. So that'll be shining down on the wheels. That should look awesome, and on the frame. And we also have a front one that runs up here under the plastics. So those are not even going to be visible because everything has a black sleeving on it. Even the throttle cable, the sleeving looks really good. We do that on our personal bikes too, y'all. Everything we do on this bike, we usually do on our personal bikes, and it looks awesome. A few more parts to open up. Guys, we got brand new Maier plastics back here. We didn't get the original ATC 70 fenders. These actually are the more aggressive looking fenders. Working, everything should be wired up. Here goes nothing.
Which one do you think of that one?
Right?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Next one. See on the middle switch, hooked up where the halo comes on. Last switch. Dude, it looks good. It looks awesome. We didn't even talk about this retractable. We got the Lamborghini underglow and the Lamborghini seat on this thing too.
That looks fire with the exhaust. Like when the bike's lowered on the ground, it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna light the exhaust up like you were talking about.
Alright guys, next up we've got the seat, all black, diamond stitch. Not too flashy, but it should look really sleek with the plastics. Should match and fit right in. Holds up nice. This should look awesome.
What are the odds it actually works the first time? Alright, yeah, I can see it.
Ready? Alright, here we go. Try number 2. Alright.
I see it.
We can see it and we can hear it, guys. We got spark. Wow, for this. Might be one of the best parts of the build right here. Oh, dude, the handlebars and the gas tank. Anything black on it is going to go.
Well,
I need you to hold this. It's going to go like this. Put it right there. All right, guys, that wraps up the build. Could we have restored this to its original glory? Sure, but that's not what we do here at Scootin' Skittle, y'all. This is by far the best build that we've ever done. Not a single part on this bike is used, abused, nothing. Brand new, y'all. We went all out from the handmade frame to the top of the line billet parts and our own color combinations. The black is absolutely crazy. There's so much flake in it, y'all. I've never seen a color like this. The fluorescent yellow absolutely is a great touch to it, and all wrapped up by the illusion violet, y'all. It all fits perfect together. And what really sets it off, y'all, not only the halo on the front headlight, but the underglow and the Lamborghini seat absolutely is awesome. The Lamborghini drop top butterfly seat absolutely sets it off. Built right here at Scootin Skittle Customs, and one of y'all is gonna win this. And we're so excited to see one of y'all actually get your hands on one of our builds. And you could do that by simply buying anything on scootinskittle.com. Yo, every $5 you spend, get you an entry. Not only are the designs awesome, but the quality is top of the line also. I wear this hoodie all the time and the shirts all the time. If you're thinking about purchasing something, guys, we have new designs on the website. All right, guys, bike is in its full form. Let's show it to y'all. It's ready to go. Right off the bat, you see the purple halo front headlight. And just the kind of subtle, but you still see the underglow on the bottom. And all of this is changeable by your iPhone or Android. You can actually work the app and change all the colors through your phone. Next up, another one of my favorite parts of the build are the wheels and tires. The direct drive wheels are one of the best wheels on the market, as well as the Hoosier tires. They fit perfect together. So we got the full Hoosier set, front and back. We went with the sleek all black plastics look and the Boosie Fade top diamond stitch seat. Slim on the side, you know. And if you haven't seen the gas tank, it absolutely looks like you're looking into the sky on the most star-filled night you've ever seen. The flake in the gloss black goes absolutely crazy, and we color matched it on the gas cap too. Moving up to the handlebars, we got some Pro Taper with the same gloss black sparkle look. Those absolutely catch your eye as well. And it's bolted down with the ZPR fluorescent yellow handlebar clamp. We have it set up with ODI grips. 2 switches on the left grip. The closest one is going to be the start switch. The next one over is the kill switch. And the bike is all powered by a 140 e-start. Y'all, quick and easy to start, whether you're trail riding or on the street. 140 cc's under you. This thing absolutely barks. Should be fun and easy to ride. If y'all want to see more of these builds, if y'all want to help support us, if you want to get a chance to win this build and cop some really cool merch, go to scootinskittle.com, get you a hoodie, get you a shirt before they're sold out, straight off the trailer, Moon Tune, Beetlejuice, Scootin tie shirt. Let's roll, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the build. Appreciate y'all for watching. Scootin Skittle. See you on the next one.